Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the 1-day chart. We're sitting here at 88 cents. Another green day for XRP. And we actually hit resistance right here at just under 91 cents. Now we're going sideways. Everyone's expecting the next leg up to break through resistance. Then we head above $1. And you know, along this journey, when I started this channel back in 2022, I knew this was coming. I didn't expect it to take so damn long, though, to get here. But now the exciting times are ahead of us. And as XRP holders, we had to sit through all the delays, all the people hating on XRP to get to this time right now. And if you look at the 7-day chart, upward movement, consistent upward movement. The chart looks very bullish. And if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, it's rising. Some people are even saying, I don't know why XRP is breaking out. If anything, Bitcoin should really be taking off right now with Bitcoin dominance. But you know, this year has been very different. Even if you look at the DXY, usually when crypto's skyrocketing, the DXY is falling. But the DXY has also been rising as well. And a lot of people are saying now that we are hitting 88 cents right now, they're expecting much higher price points during alt season as well. A renowned market analyst recently suggested that anything less than a 40x increase for XRP this cycle could signal market manipulation. People are expecting 50 to 100x on XRP. That's with nothing behind it. No utility, no institutional adoption, just going through a typical alt season. People are still expecting a 50 to 100x and price points anywhere from $14 all the way up to $200 like we see here. XRP exploding soon. Technical analysis points to $200 target. Now, I don't think we're going to achieve 3 digits without utility. I mean, I might be totally wrong on that, but I think we got to have utility pushing the price higher and higher. A lot of people are going to be selling off their entire bag at different price points. Once we achieve a new all-time high, a lot of people will be selling a good portion of their XRP. At $5, more people will be selling. At $10, more people will be selling. But you know what else is going to happen? A lot of people are gonna be buying. And we gotta wait and see how the chart looks once we finally do start to really break out. Once we achieve a new all-time high, it is going to be absolutely incredible because people have been waiting for that since 2018. Is a Ripple XRP all-time high in the cards before the end of 2024? Now, whoever wrote this article, they're saying it's not going to happen by the end of this year if we're following the 2018 run. They're expecting an all-time high to happen sometime early 2025, but I think it could happen sooner. A lot of people are still trying to figure out why XRP is breaking out right now. A lot of people said that XRP should still be sitting around 50 to 60 cents based on what's going on with Bitcoin dominance. So anything is possible. And even Uphold joined the conversation. While most tokens stumbled, XRP has surged in the past 24 hours, crossing 90 cents for the first time in years. Traders are speculating that Ripple could benefit from a more crypto-friendly U.S. administration. Is it a broader comeback for XRP on the horizon? And most people do expect that a comeback is now going to happen. But it's true. You know, Trump winning as the U.S. president, a pro-crypto Congress getting ready to take their spot in this next administration, that benefits cryptocurrencies like XRP, utility-driven cryptocurrencies. We're also expecting institutional adoption to happen at the same time. That's going to bring a ton of money into this space. It's also going to open up a lot of possibilities for passive income. Ripple's XRP outperforms Bitcoin, Solana, and Dogecoin. $1 soon. Remember last week when everyone was telling you should have sold your XRP and bought Doge? Now XRP is outperforming Bitcoin, Sol, and Doge. What a difference a week makes in crypto. All of a sudden, everybody's frustrated because XRP isn't moving. Then XRP starts to break out a little bit, and all that excitement comes rushing back in. And I do believe we are going to break above $1 very soon. This comes from Brad Garlinghouse. XRP, Bitcoin, ETH, Sol. That's the alphabet soup I like to see. Bitwise says, we're excited to announce that today, New York Stock Exchange, ARCA, has filed to list the Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund. And here's a complete list of those cryptocurrencies. And you see XRP and ADA is on the list. I'm honestly surprised that XLM didn't make the list as well. But this is a basket ETF or ETP that they are creating. And we're going to see more ETFs as well, because apparently rich people don't like to hold the actual asset. They like to have someone else do all the work for them. I love to buy crypto, but that's just me. Ripple Labs hints at potential IPO as SEC battle winds down. So once again, there's a possibility of Ripple launching an IPO. I don't know if that's going to happen anytime soon. Brad was very reluctant to talk about it. But now with a pro-crypto SEC, anything is possible going forward. And an IPO would definitely push the price of XRP. Now, Brad was also on Fox Business, and I usually don't play full clips, but this clip is very good. Take a listen. Okay, so my internet kind of froze up at the same time. I'm sorry about that.
Is here in a Fox Business exclusive in studio to discuss all of this. Okay, a 70% gain since Election Day. Let me guess, you are a Donald Trump fan, at least, of a presidency as he oversees a crypto world that he's very open-armed to.
For sure. Like, what a difference 10 days makes. We, for years in the United States, have had an attack on the crypto industry. It's been war. And we finally, I think, have, a crypto president. The crypto industry has embraced Trump. Trump has embraced the crypto industry.
He really has. He really has.
I think it's very genuine. And I think he sees the opportunity. He sees innovation. He sees entrepreneurship. And look, I'm very excited about what the future holds. I'll point out, you were saying that XRP is up 70+%. Since Election Day, the best performing crypto assets are all U.S. companies or U.S. technologies. This shouldn't be a surprise. The United States SEC has been manipulating and putting pressure on these U.S. companies, U.S. technologies, and now that pressure comes off and they explode upwards. So we shouldn't be surprised by that.
So that is since when that it's all U.S.? That
really since Election Day.
Okay, since Election Day, then that really makes sense.
It does, and if you can even put a number on this, like what has Gary Gensler's war on crypto? You can put an amount on it. We went from 2.2 trillion to basically $3 trillion. So this was an $800 billion unlock just because we now are going to have rational actors who act lawfully. You know, as you know well, states have now even participated in suing the SEC and saying you are not acting lawfully and enforcing the laws.
I got to ask you, the price of XRP earlier this week spasmed. It jumped about 10% after you liked a tweet earlier that suggested you may have met with President-elect Donald Trump. Any truth to those rumors?
I mean, I think like many of your guests today, I'm not going to comment on too many specifics here. Suffice it to say.
Okay, that's a yes. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But I respect that. But to me, it's a yes.
We have been active throughout this election cycle in being very pro-crypto, pro-innovation. And how do we make sure that this Congress and, you know, the president obviously it's a totally new day. And I could not be happier about like a Congress that I think is, as Norm said earlier, your guest, we got to get away from regulation through enforcement. That makes no sense.
What about this yesterday, this lawsuit filed by 18 attorneys generals, I believe all from Republican states, suing the SEC, saying that they are allegedly overreaching when it comes to crypto regulation? Did you know that was coming at all?
We did not. And I say to all 18 of those attorney generals, welcome to the party. You know, look, we have been fighting, Ripple's been fighting this fight since the very beginning. We've spent literally over $150 million fighting the SEC, an unlawful war. And so I'm thrilled they're joined. I wish they would have joined earlier. But, you know, even in their case, what they filed cites the Ripple case over and over. And so they see what has happened. They see how Gensler has overreached. And I only wish there was a way to hold the SEC, hold Gensler, hold some of these people accountable.
And we should say that earlier this week, Robinhood relisted XRP on its platform, driven by what they believe might be this new, more welcoming regulatory environment?
For sure. I mean, this goes back to like the U.S. has finally unlocking this hostility. And I do think things like Robinhood saying, you know, I'm surprised they didn't do it sooner, but I'm glad they did it now. And, you know, I expect
Robinhood, by the way, up 37% this month alone. Nice move for Robinhood. And Vlad the CEO, has sat here and said that crypto has been a huge driver for their bottom line.
I mean, he said that it actually is an order of magnitude, a 10x decrease in cost in order for him to trade.
Brad, thanks for stopping.
So Brad confirms what we've all been thinking all along, that we were held back by the corrupt SEC. And take notice, he said ever since Election Day, all the U.S. companies, cryptocurrencies started popping off because now the suppression is ending. And that's why we're starting to surge on XRP. But what a time to be an XRP investor. And I wanted to play that full clip for you because Brad said so many good things in there. And I do believe that Gary should definitely be held accountable personally, along with the corrupt SEC. But here we are looking at the price chart once again, and we're very close to that 91 cents. Once we break above this, we will head towards $1 plus for XRP. And I cannot say it enough. I am so happy to be in this journey with all of you. You know, you kept me going as well ever since 2022. There were some very hard days to make videos because the market's down and it was collapse after collapse. But you all kept me going, and I cannot thank all of you enough. You are the best part of all of this for me. And there it is. We broke above the resistance. With that said, until it all happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.